Welcome to NCERT Math Channel. Today we are going through some Olympiad questions with solutions in detail. The first question is the portion of a circle bounded by a chord and the arc subtended by dash of the circle. Nothing but in a circle they are drawing a chord. Chord is nothing but a straight line segment that connects 2 points on the circumference of a circle. Okay, on the circumference of a circle there are 2 points and we are joining those 2 points by a line segment. Those line segment need not to be passed over the center of the circle. Then coming to the point of arc. Arc is nothing but a portion of a smooth curve, most commonly a portion of the circumference of the circle. Circumference of a circle, in order to find circumference of the circle, we have a formula 2 pi r. Okay, in order to find circumference of the half of the circle, 2 pi r into 1 by 2. So in order to find this particular portion which is encaved by the arc from the circle, we can have a formula like theta by 360 into 2 pi r, which is theta is nothing but the angle formed by the particular portion which is being separated by a chord from the circle. Okay, so there is also an arc length which is nothing but a curvy distance between 2 points in the section of the curve of a circle. Okay, these are all the particular terms involving in this particular questions. Okay, they are asking the portion of the circle bounded by a chord and the arc subtended by dash of the circle. The area which is being said to be inside that particular portion is said to be segment. Okay, the area which is being subtended from the circle is said to be segment. The area on that side of the circle is also a segment, major segment, which is been inside this particular portion which is been encaved by the chord, and the arc is also said to be a segment which is a minor segment. They are asking for the term which is being used to specify this particular portion. It is called segment. Okay, then the next question is, the second question is, how many lines of symmetry are there in an equilateral triangle? The equilateral triangle is nothing but all the three sides are equal. It's nothing but the equilateral triangle. The symmetry is nothing but a shape of the object in which two or more parts can be formed in that particular object which are all of identical shape. That means when an object is divided into two, we can have two or more identical images of that particular object when dividing into two. When a circle is being divided into two through its center, both the sides will be a mirror images of each other, which means it has a symmetry line. When it is being divided into four, that means dividing the circle by two lines. Okay, the four parts will be a mirror image of each other, so that even after dividing the particular circle into 8 equal parts, there will be a mirror image of each other parts. So we can say that the circle have 8 or many number of symmetry lines. Like that, how many symmetry lines can be formed in an equilateral triangle? We can sure that there will be 3 symmetry lines can be drawn in this equilateral triangle, in which each and every part can be a mirror image of each other. Then comes the third question. Two regular pentagons of side 5 cm are joined together as shown in the figure. We have to find the perimeter of the new figure. That means those sides of the pentagon are all having the same side. 5 cm means 5 cm for both the sides of the pentagon. Okay, so we are going to join that particular side, any of a side of a pentagon with another side of the another pentagon. Okay, so now we are going to have how much sides? In pentagon 1 we are having 5 sides. In the pentagon 2 we are having 5 sides. Let us consider the fifth side be joined together in both the pentagon. Okay, now we are getting 10 sides, but a single side of each and every pentagon being merged with another side. So now we are having 8 sides. Okay, 8 sides. So 8 sides which are all of equal in length. So to find the perimeter of a pentagon, we have a formula: number of sides into radius of a pentagon. If that radius is equal, that is nothing but this is the perimeter of the pentagon. If all the sides of the pentagon are equal, we can say that this is the perimeter of the pentagon. That means 5 into, which is the radius of a circle, 5. So 5 into 5 is nothing but 25, which is the radius of a pentagon. We are going to find the perimeter of the joined, that means new figure of the pentagon which is been merged together. So totally 8 sides. Okay, so totally 8 sides. 8 into, what is the radius of a side of a pentagon? 5. So 8 into 5 is nothing but 40. So 40 is the perimeter of the new figure. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe NCERT channel for more academic and Olympiad questions and answers in detail.